Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add animations to your website on Squarespace, so let's get right into it. Now, adding animations is as easy as just modifying the site styles, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you can do this. Now, these are, as far as I'm aware, site-wide styles, so you really cannot change it for individual things. So once you activate one animation style, that's going to be site-wide and apply to every page. Now, to actually change the animations and to actually add them onto your site, you need to go under website and click on styles, and then go into miscellaneous in the bottom of the menu. Click on animations, and here you can add animations such as a fade, scale, slide, clip, or flex animation. You can also set the speed up for, different items, or for each of these styles. You can set if you want it slow, fast, or medium. You can again select if you don't want any, if you want a fade in, if you want a scale. It's gonna preview what the animation and what it looks like here, so you can see what it looks like. As you can see, it changes immediately pretty much, and immediately displays your animation. Once you have the animation you would like, click on save, then go ahead and exit, and that is pretty much it. Now, as you can see in the preview, whenever I scroll over something for the first time, it's gonna play the animation, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.